ego. You know, we got a lower self, we got a shadow tank, and everybody's walking around with a library and a personal experience. So in the modern times, we was made to be ignorant about our higher self. A demon is only evil when we not plugged into it, because that's our shadow self. When you wake up, you become aware of both of your natures, your ability to tap in, and your lower shadow side, which is not evil. It's just wild and unruly. The way to tame the dragon ain't to fight it, it's to love it.